I am about to make some whipped shea butter, and I have a couple of my ingredients. Got my essential oils, grapefruit and lavender, and I have my 2 oils. It's grapeseed oil and moringa oil. And I have this nice little mixing bowl in my mixer. So let's get started. So this is what the raw shea butter is looking like. I'm going to get a spoon and start digging some out. Last time I made a lot. And so I'm not gonna make as much this time. I'm probably gonna take out a couple of like spoonfuls, and that's it. That's how much I put in. And I know it doesn't look like much, but I actually took a good chunk out of this jar. This bowl is just OD big. Like, that's how big it is. So if it was like in a normal size, it would probably fill up a little bit more. And trust me, once I put the oil in and start whipping it, it's gonna go a long way. So I wanna add some oil. To be honest, I don't really measure. That's how much I used the last time. So about 1/3, and I wouldn't use that much because it was, now that it's getting warm, I don't want it to be as, I guess like thick. I want it to be a little bit lighter since it's getting a little bit warm, so I'm not gonna use as much. I'll probably use half that. I'll probably use as much as I use on this one. So I would say about 2 teaspoons each. So I just wanted y'all to see the uses of moringa oil. It is an emollient and skin moisturizer. It's highly resistant to oxidation, which is good for the shea butter. I'm using this, I guess, as like a preservative low-key because it helps with the oxidation. So grapeseed oil has a high content of vitamin E. It helps build skin tissue and blood flow, and it has a high content of vitamin E. Did about 15 to 20 drops of this. Now we mix. And this is the final product. It is so creamy, so rich, so decadent. It's almost like I want to eat it. I mean, we technically could probably, but I'm not going to do that. But it's just so, look at the consistency. It's so good. I love to put this on after a nice hot shower. So rich. If you like this video, please share, like, and subscribe. And I hope you guys are staying safe, hydrated, and moisturized. I'll see you next time.